Bunny hop, 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 hop. Bunny hop, 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 hop. Bunny hop, 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 stop. Wiggle your ears, wiggle your nose, wiggle your paws, wiggle your cottontail.
Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and this is my friend Gator. Allie is the star of 1,000 Books. If you pick up a paper kit for 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten, and you can get one at any of the branches, look at the cover. It's got Allie's picture on it. You don't have to do the program on paper, though. If you would like to track the books that you read at home, the books that you reread at home, and the books that we read at these programs on your computer, you can do that. Go to our website, go to the kids page, sign up for 1,000 Books there, and learn how you can use the Beanstack app. Beanstack works with computers, smartphones, and tablets. It's really easy to use. And since you can track so many books so many different ways, you can get to 1,000 books pretty quickly if you try. All right, what are we doing today, Allie? There's nothing in your mouth. So you have something else to show me? Oh, that? Down there? Oh, I get what you want to do. Hang on one second. Allie wants me to put something on. Or what? On Allie, that is. Look! Allie is an Allabunny. Or a Bunny Gator. Or a Babbit. What are you? Well, any case, Allie's got bunny ears. So I guess that means that it's rabbit season, and we should do some stories about rabbits today. Shall we do that? And I think we'll sing a rabbit song as well. So if you're ready, here we go. Until around the year 2011, Kevin Hanks was best known for his books about Julius, the baby of the world, and his big sister Lily, who has a purple plastic purse. But around that year, he started doing books that look totally different. They're beautiful picture books all about the natural world. And he won the Caldecott for the first one, which is called Kitten's First Full Moon. Today we're going to do another of those early books. This one is called Little White Rabbit. I got to see Kevin Hanks at a librarians meeting in Philadelphia, and he talked about how he picks certain things for his book. He picks a certain paper for it. The size of the book, the shape of the book, they all really matter to him. So the next time you pick up a Kevin Hanks book, there's more to think about than just the beautiful artwork. Kevin Hanks' Little White Rabbit. Little White Rabbit hopped along. When he hopped through the grass, he wondered what it would be like to be green. Look, everything's green. There's a lot of animals to see in this picture. Look carefully. Can you see green things? What do you see? Crickets, caterpillars, butterflies, a turtle, a frog. Even Little White Rabbit is green. When he hopped by the fir trees, he wondered what it would be like to be tall. Tall like a tree, I think. Oh goodness, look. He's imagining what it would be like to be even taller than the trees. His feet are down on the ground and his head's way up in the sky. He's right up there with the birds and the butterflies. When he hopped over the rock, he wondered what it would be like not to be able to move. Oh, look, now he's a bunny rock. In the sun, in the rain, in the daytime, in the nighttime, always the same, never moving. When he hopped under the butterflies, He wondered what it would be like to flutter through the air. Oh my goodness, look at him now. He's a bunny fly, but instead of wings, he's using his ears to fly. When he hopped past the cat, he was too frightened to wonder about anything. Oh yeah, if you're a bunny, you have to be careful of cats. So he turned around and he hopped as fast as he could. Soon Little White Rabbit was home. He still wondered about many things. But he didn't wonder who loved him. Oh, look. He and his mom are having a sniff kiss. There he is, home with his mother. It looks like he's got some brothers and sisters too, doesn't it? Nice and cozy. If you like this book, Little White Rabbit by Kevin Hanks, you should definitely look in the library for his other books. There's Old Bear, there's Birds, and there's a whole bunch about the seasons. And yes, we have them all at the Alexandria Library. I learned this song growing up in the Bronx as Little Rabbit Fufu. And we said, Little Rabbit Fufu, I don't like your attitude. I don't know if that's a New York thing or not. But you probably know it as Little Bunny Fufu, and you probably know the fairy saying, I don't want to see you. So that's the way I'm going to sing it today. But if you sing it a different way, that's fine. My favorite version of this, by the way, is by Shari Lewis and Lamb Chop. Check for that one on YouTube. It's here. Here we go. Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. That's not nice. You're not supposed to hit people on the head. Somebody better stop him. Let's bring the good fairy down. Can you bring the good fairy down like this? Down came the good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. She said, I'll give you 3 chances, and if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a goon. A goon is a horrible monster. Can you make a horrible monster face? Make your scariest monster face. You're pretty scary out there, you know that? Do you think he's going to get scared? Here he comes. Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. Here comes that good fairy. And she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. She said, you have 2 more chances, and if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a guy. I think I scared myself that time. Do you think he's going to behave? Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. Down comes the good fairy. And she says, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. How many chances does he have left? 1 more chance. And if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a goon. Are you still being a goon? Hey! Stop being a goon. You certainly are scary today. Well, is little Fufu going to behave? He's never behaved in all the years I've sung this song. Here he comes. Little bunny Fufu, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head. And down comes that good fairy. And she says, "Little Bunny Fufu, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and banging them on the head." She said, "I gave you 3 chances, 1, 2, 3, and you didn't behave." And she got out her magic wand. Can you get out your magic wand? Count to 3. 1, 2, 3, and poof! She turned him into a horrible goon. You were scary. You were really scary that time. Well, she did turn him into a goon. And there's a moral of the story. You might not get it yet, but your parents will. It's hair today and goon tomorrow. And that's the end. A couple of weeks ago, we did Wow, Said the Owl by Tim Hopgood, and I mentioned that he had done several other concept books, including one about the 5 senses. Well, here it is. Hooray for Hoppy, a book about the 5 senses. So we're going to read it right now. And isn't Tim Hopgood the perfect name for an author who writes a book about a rabbit named Hoppy? Hooray for Hoppy. Go. Hoppy woke up bright and early. He wiggled his nose and he sniffed the air. Perhaps this day's the day, he thought. But as he hopped through the top of the hole, he saw that the world was still covered in snow. "Too cold," he said, and he hopped right back. The next morning, when Hoppy hopped to the top of his hole, his nose felt cold and the grass felt crunchy. "Too icy," he said, and hopped back to bed. A few days later, Hoppy woke up much earlier than usual. Perhaps today's the day, he thought. Hoppy twitched his nose. The air smelled fresh. Perhaps today really is the day that spring arrives. So Hoppy hopped down the hill to see if it was true. "Hooray!" said Hoppy as he heard the birds singing. "It sounds as if spring has sprung." "Hooray!" said Hoppy as he sniffed the pretty flowers. "It smells as if spring has sprung." "Hooray!" said Hoppy as he watched the lambs in the meadow. "It looks like spring has sprung." "Hooray!" said Hoppy as he nibbled the fresh green grass. "It tastes like spring has sprung." "Hip, hip, hooray!" said Hoppy as his feet touched the warm ground. "It even feels like spring has sprung." Today really is the day, thought Hoppy. He couldn't wait to see his friends. But when he reached the top of the hill, nobody was there. So he thumped his back feet as hard and as loud as he possibly could. Oh my goodness. Do you see? I see rabbits everywhere. So many bunnies. "Hooray!" shouted all the rabbits as Hoppy leaped high in the air. Spring had definitely and most wonderfully sprung. Bunnies everywhere. And here are those 5 senses. Hearing. Hoppy heard the birds. Smelling. Hoppy smelled the flowers. Seeing. He saw the lambs. Tasting. He ate the grass. And touch. He felt the warm earth under his feet. You can think about what you could find with your five senses. This is Hello for Hoppy by Tim Hopgood, and you can find Tim Hopgood books at the Alexandria Library. You look really good in those bunny ears, Allie, but it's time to go. You don't want things to be over? Well, we can get more books from the library. We've got lots and lots and lots of bunny books at the library. And we hope we will see you here next week on YouTube, and better still, at the library. There are so many books, not just bunny books, but all kinds of other books. And we'd love to help you find your favorites. Thanks for watching. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Bye.
Wiggle your ears. Wiggle your nose. Wiggle your paws. Wiggle your cottontail. Bunny hop, 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 hop. Bunny hop, 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 hop. Bunny hop, 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 hop. Stop!